Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little trade recap we did on Google. We did a Google Swing Trade with some calls and we made 100% on the runners. And I'm super proud of this one because we just absolutely nailed the entry. We bought this on the 18th, right here. And what we did is we posted an idea. So we had an idea of Google having this ascending triangle, and we wanted to buy in at 174, 175 area. And we're going to grab some calls. So on the 18th, that's what happened. It came right down into the trend line. We took some calls. We got the 180 strike for July 19th at $2.67 each. And the thing is, something to note is price did go below the trend line, but price came back up. So everything was still good. Next day, big move up, big move down, just chop, nothing really happened. And then the next day, we got the big move breakout above the resistance point, as you can see here. Price broke up and we took a trim. Took our first trim at $4.60. Half our position. Just absolutely smashed this first profit taking point, and then we held them for 2 more days, the next day and then the next day, which is today. Price broke above to 182, which is where we closed out. We took the last runners all the way to $5.45 each, and we did just over 100%. I mean, absolutely smashed this entry. That's the thing that really stood out because we stuck to the plan. Here is the updated Google Swing Trade. So here's the original. So we bought here. This was the plan. Go inside the triangle, break out, and then this is today. Here's the price. It happened. It completely followed our swing trade idea. I mean, yeah, that was awesome. So did really well on this trade. Really happy with it. People made a lot of money, and everything just went to plan. You know, we have these trade ideas. We draw out the plan where we want to buy. It just played out. It played out perfectly. Don't have anything else to say. I mean, I guess you can say we sold a little bit early on the last runners because now the price is at 184. So could have squeezed out, you know, some extra cash, but I think I don't think anyone's complaining on this trade. I don't know. Just the that entry was incredible because we just, you know, planned it out and we stuck to it and it works. And you know, that's just what it's all about with trading. You just got to stick to your plans. And yeah, you know, so everything was alerted in the Discord, all here. If you want to be in it, the link will be in the description. All right, thanks guys.